Alright, ready?
No, we have to wait till someone joins.
Okay.
When I do my dance, money fight these gun bands. JC, I have plan. Look, I don't want you, man. These rich on paper.
I'm just gonna eat the same one I just ate. I mean, it's Dollar Tree chalk, so...
It's probably gonna give us an infection.
Probably. Yeast infection. Whoa. Apparently if you eat chalk, it colors smoothly.
Wow. Hey, Max, so, I have to leave tomorrow kind of early.
That's okay.
Like, early.
I have no idea who that is. You're about to watch us eat chalk.
Hold on, I need to get a piece of chalk.
Hello, Sarah. We're about to eat chalk.
This is not fun for
Yeah.
me.
I'm holding her hostage, you know.
Yeah, and
All right.
frog.
We're waiting till we gather a bit of an audience. Oh, yeah, we have a frog that we kidnapped. You know, just... Oh, you're going for it now? Okay. Love chalk. Delicious.
She's holding me hostage. I had no choice. Okay. Well.
Don't recommend. Is
No.
it good?
It doesn't have a taste. It's
Yeah,
just
that's the thing,
bland.
though. Like, if it was bubbles, I would be disgusting. Don't ask me how I know that. But,
I know that.
hey, twins. I recommend it if you're looking for something to do. I don't know what the ingredients are. Shelby said it's cornstarch, but it tastes like nothing. It's not good, obviously. I don't like the texture, but it's from Dollar Tree, if that helps. So, yeah. You know, just normal stuff. Alright. I just got a bad taste of it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. We really enjoyed having you. I hope you enjoyed this live stream. We didn't. For texture reasons, I don't recommend it. For fun, I do. Alright, well, adios, amigos. The aftertaste is so bad.